Charlani here. We are in my kitchen. We are going to restock our fridge. However, we are going to restock with all the healthies. It is time to get back at it. And I use for my own inspiration, my own motivation. This was a storyboard that I used last year. And I have my own before and after picture here. And I used that as inspo, and I'm like, come on, we gotta get back at it. This last year, my own health and fitness journey has not been a priority, but that all changes. So at the beginning of the year, or end of the last year, beginning of this year, I did 75 hard and crushed it. Absolutely crushed it. But after that, you kind of just let things go. And I think a lot of what that is too, is that you just think, I know how to do this. You know, I'll get back to it at another time. A lot of times I would look in the mirror and be like, we're fine, it's good enough. And I love sweets and candy and goodies and all the things. However, I also really like to feel energized, and I like to look good in the clothes that I want to wear. So it is time to get back at all the things. Also, we have a cruise coming up in the next few weeks, and I don't want to be sitting there in a bathing suit, because I know Rob and I, the majority of the time, we are absolutely going to be lounging around by the pool. I'm dreaming of it. I cannot wait. So that means that I need to kind of dial it in now, because when we get on that boat, we're gonna eat all the things, because that's just kind of what you do on a cruise, right? So in the meantime, I've got this layer of what I just like to call fluff on my body. We need to work on getting it off. And the way you do that is by healthy food.
Okay, please don't come at me about these plastic bags. I know, but I forgot my reusables at home and it was pouring rain outside, so I didn't want to drive all the way back to get them. I will recycle. I will also use these for storing things away, but I do know, and if you're one of those people, sorry about that. Let's just let it go. We'll be all right. No one's going to get hurt.
Here's what I've got for the week. This is what I am working with. And we also, by the way, we have meats from Costco. All of that stuff is already in the freezer. I love New York steaks because they are a leaner cut and super yummy. So we have that for the week. But this is what I've got veggie-wise, lunch-wise. This is mostly for lunches. But I love a sandwich thin with some ham. I've got some sliced Colby Jack. And then I also have some baby spinach. That is one of my favorite easy, simple, quick to-go lunches. And then we also obviously have a lot of spinach here. I've got a baby spring mix here. So salads, we're going to have a lot of the salads for lunch. And then I also have other things, like we've got broccoli florets. I've got some Brussels sprouts for dinners. We've got a couple of artichokes here. I love when artichokes are in season. Oh, some of our favorites. We've got some carrot sticks because I'll be making some ranch dressing. I like to use 1% milk with mayonnaise. It is just the regular way to make it, and then I dilute it. So you actually use less of the actual dressing, but it goes a lot further if you add just a little bit of water to it. I've got sun butter here for my shakes. If you've not tried sun butter, I am telling you what, it is so delicious. Now, one of my favorite things about our new grocery store, H-E-B, is that they have these little containers here. I want to say this was $1.38, but there's cabbage, I've got my onions, and then I've got cilantro. 4 salads, oh my goodness, it makes it so much easier. I don't have to cut any of this stuff up, and it's ready to go, and it's not very expensive. So love that. I also love already cut up cucumbers. So again, this was like
one of my favorite things about HEB and why I'll go there every week to do my shopping. Just these little conveniences, it makes a big difference. The other thing they have is this garlic, herb, and seasoned chicken. I have never tried this before. It's already seasoned, and usually I like to season it myself, but I don't know, we'll see. It looks really good, and again, convenient. Sometimes if you're really busy, take advantage when you can purchase and maybe spend an extra $1 or so on these kinds of conveniences, because if it's going to help you to eat healthier, make a healthy choice, then it's totally worth it. It is very convenient that when you do a grocery haul and you bring your groceries home, have your fridge already cleaned out and wiped down. That's what I did. I actually cleaned this out yesterday, and it makes it so much easier, because then you can just come in and throw your things wherever they need to go. I don't have a lot of prep to do this week, but what I will do is let's fry up some of these guys right here. My biggest tip when it comes to grilling, pan frying your chicken is always cover it with foil, because even the driest of chicken, it'll have a lot of that moisture come back into it. Just let it rest and sit for a little bit, and it'll always make it very yummy. Taste test. You know what? So good. Very yummies. All right, we'll put that there. We've got our proteins there. I am feeling like I need to make a quick run. I don't know why I forgot, but I did. I need to get oranges and I need to get apples. I already have carrots and ginger, but I want a juice, so I need to stock up on that. So it looks like we're going to do another just really quick grocery haul. These are also really good finds too. I love the frozen salmon. We also got the halibut, because at least these are in here and we can just pull them out. It only takes a couple hours for these to thaw out. So this is a good thing to stock up on as well. Got some meat, lemons and limes, lots of apples here,
77 cents a pound. Amazing. And then I also have some spaghetti noodles. This is my favorite spaghetti sauce. If you don't have your own spaghetti sauce, we are out from what Rob harvested last year, and he made spaghetti sauce. We're out of that, so we got to buy store-bought. This amazing. Rob is feeling a little under the weather, so I got him some soup. Hopefully that will help him get better. A bunch of celery. We've got some ginger. Pull these out. We've got a bunch of oranges right in there. You can see that. And then I also got a big, huge thing of carrots. And then I also got bananas. So if you are a fan of green juice, fruit juice, vegetable juice, doing it yourself at home is so much less expensive. All of this that I got, fruits, vegetables, this costs less than $15. And I'm usually, when I have this amount, it usually makes about 8 16-ounce jars. So if you divide that by that amount, I mean, it's so much less expensive. You could pay anywhere from $8 to $12 if you were to go to like Kiva Juice or something like that. So I definitely like juicing our own juice. All right, we are all stocked up and ready to go for the week ahead. I have all the juicing things. We have salad goodies. We've got our protein. We've got our healthy carbs, all the things. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me today on our fridge restock. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.